Pannoni is proud to support Safety Week and the 2018 theme, The Power of Safe Choices. We recognize the importance of safe choices, so we've asked some of our staff to share their experiences. Here's what they have to say.
I take safety very seriously, and I could tell you a quick little story about a project several years ago where I was out on a bridge inspection with my previous firm early in my career. And I was walking along a catwalk on the Walt Whitman Bridge, and one of the panels was left open. They were painting the bridge, and I nearly fell right through that panel. I did not realize it would be open. I just assumed that that panel would be closed. And so safety reminds us of those things.
Why do I take safety seriously? Well, it's pretty obvious, although it's not as obvious when you're younger. And I will say that there was times where I was probably not the safest person in the world when I was younger. You just don't think about it. I try not to allow that to happen to the people that work for me. But, as I get older, obviously, my family, is a driver for me wanting to come home every day.
Well, we're very, very safety oriented. So, you're standing out there in traffic and people are not smart today. They're on their phones, they're not paying attention. And I promise all my people's families they're going to come home. So, we want to make sure they're safe.
I could sit here for an hour and talk about how important safety is to a company. A lot of our clients are focused on safety. It's very important for us as individuals. It's very important for our clients. It's very important for our families. We have to be safe in what we do at work. I know we're in a field where sometimes you wouldn't think would be dangerous, but we all can be in dangerous situations every day if we don't concentrate on safety and the environment around us. So to me, safety is very, very important.
I mean, really, I take safety seriously because it affects me personally. I want to go home. I want to play with my kids. I want to live a normal life. I don't want to come to work and get hurt or injured and that affect me for the rest of my life.
Yes.
So safety personally is important because it affects me. It affects everybody. And I want everybody to be happy and go home and hug their kids or pet their dog or go on trips. And if you hurt yourself, you won't be able to do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
What he said.